Good morning, students. Today we are going to do some problems related to number system. Conversion of a decimal number to a binary number. First question. Convert a decimal number 25 to binary. We know that binary number system deals with only zeros and ones. Okay. 25 divided by 2. 12 2s are 20. 4 remainder 1. Okay. 25 divided by 2. 1 2s are 2. 0 5. 2 2s are 4. Remainder 1. This one denote dividend. This one denote remainder. This one quotient. This one denote divisor. Okay. We know that dividend equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. Is it right? 25 dividend for 25 quotient 12 into 2 plus 1, that is equal to 24 plus 1 equal to 25. Is it right? Dividend equal to 25. Okay. Again divide by 2. 6 2s are 12. Remainder 0. Again divide by 2. 3 2s are 6. Remainder 0. Again divide by 2. 1 2s are 2. Remainder 1. Again divide by 2. Its quotient is 0 and its remainder is 1. Is it right? 1 divided by 2. Okay. Its quotient is 0 and its remainder is 1. Dividend 1 equal to quotient 0 into 2, that is equal to 0 plus 1, that is equal to 1. Okay. The division with the divisor till you get 0 as the quotient. Okay. This one denote LSB, least significant bit. This one denote MSB, most significant bit. First remainder is called as LSB and last remainder is known as MSB. Then arrange bottom to top, that is equal to 1 1 0 0 1. Its base 2. Okay, 25 base 10 equal to 1 1 0 0 1 base 2. Is it clear? Convert a decimal number 85 to binary. 85 divided by 2. 4 2s are 8. 2 2s are 4. 42 into 2, 84. The remainder 1. Again divide by 2. 2 2s are 4. 1 2s are 2. 21 into 2, 42. Remainder 0. Then 2. 10 2s are 20. Remainder 1. Again divide by 2. 5 2s are 10. Remainder 0. Again divide by 2. 2 2s are 4. Remainder 1. Again divide by 2. 1 2s are 2. Remainder 0. Again divide by 2. Its quotient 0 and its remainder 1. Then arrange all the bits from bottom to top. Therefore, 85 equal to 1 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay, its base 2. I hope you clear with this. Conversion of a decimal number to a octal number. First question. Convert 395 base 10, that is decimal number, to an octal number. We know that octal number deals with 8 digits, that is 0 to 7. Okay. 395 divided by 8. 8 fours are 32. Then 9. 49 and its remainder 3. So right. 395 divided by 8. 8 fours are 32. 9 twos are 9 minus 2. 9 minus 2. 7. 75. 9 eights are 72. Its remainder 3. Okay, 49 and its remainder 3. Again divided by 8. 6 8 are 42 and its remainder 6 8s are 48 and remainder 1. Okay. 6 again divided by 8. Its quotient 0 and its remainder 6. Arrange from bottom to top. That is 6, 1, 3, its base 8. 395 base 10 equal to 630 base 8. Is it clear? Next question. Convert 48 base 10 to an octal number. First to divide 48 by 8. 8. 6 are 48. Remainder 0. Again divide by 8. Its quotient is 0 and its remainder 6. Okay, 48 base 10 equal to, arrange from bottom to top, that is equal to 60 base 8. Okay. Next, conversion of a decimal number to a hexa number. We know that hexa number system deals with the 60 digits, 0 to 9 and 10 represent A, 11 B, 12 C, 13 D, 14 E, 15 F. Okay. Next, 300 divided by 60. Okay. 300 divided by 60. 116, 16, 40, 8, 6 are 128, remainder 12. Okay. 16 is quotient 18 and remainder 12. 12 represent C. Okay. Then again divide by 16. 1, 16, 16. Remainder 2. Again divide by 16. Quotient 0 and remainder 1. Okay. 300 base 16 equal to, arrange from bottom to top. Okay. 1, 2. 12 represents C. Base 16. 300 base 10 equal to 1, 2, C 16. Okay, I hope you clear with this. Okay. Thus we have come to the end of today's session. Thank you.